You're looking at the Gerber Fit Blue Multitool. Model number 30-000294. This is a flashlight / multi-tool hybrid. It uses one AAA battery that powers this 25 lumen flashlight. The tools include this long screwdriver. It has an interchangeable Phillips or flathead head on it, and it just so happens that this screwdriver is perfectly lined up with the flashlight, so that way you can see what you're working on. It's got a partially serrated knife blade, a spring-loaded pair of scissors, and a pair of small tools on the inside. We have a punch or an owl and a small Phillips head screwdriver. The large tools lock into place with this locking system integrated into the handle. It's in the palm of your hand. This is the Gerber Fit Blue model. Model number 30-000294.